All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. You see all these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Oh girl, I wanna hold on you tonight. Every time you walk in at the club, girl, I want you to be mine. Girl, I want you in my life, I swear. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me. Focus, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus, focus on me. We in this party, put your body on me. Girl, I want you to know the things I wanna do to you. You're a bad girl, you know I need that girl. Girl, I know I'm feeling you. When you touch it, when you rock it, you're so spiritual. When you rock it, I reverse it, girl, I need it all. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you say focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus, focus on me. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. All these sexy girls in the club, up, up, up. Up, up. Teasing me, I feel you feeling me. Your eyes talking for you, make you sing. Focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus on me, focus, focus on me.
Hey my lovelies, so today is Sunday, the 31st of May, and I'm going to attend a brand event for the first time ever. I'm so excited, I don't wanna lie, and I'm so looking forward to it. The event starts at 9. Now the currently is like maybe 7, and the event is taking place at something City Mall. Yeah, I'm going there today, and I'll show you guys my hairstyle when I'm done bathing, cause the electricity here is all like a PTA the whole, so I couldn't show you guys my hairstyle, but I'll show you guys when I'm done bathing. And sure, what else did I wanna tell you guys? Yeah, I will be wearing my fox fur, whatever, fox fur jacket. Oh guys, yeah, she is a batamanda. The weather is like hot, but it's okay because I'm not gonna wear the mini dress anyways. So yeah, so right now I just wanna bath and prepare myself, then go there. I don't know if I'll be able to talk to you guys when I'm done, or you just see me when I get there. So yeah, for now, let's get ready.
So hey my lovelies, I finally arrived. I'm at Santin. I'm so late. The event started at 9 and it's currently 10 o'clock. So I'm an hour late, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm still gonna look for the place because it's again. But yeah, let's go, babies.
Yeah, I need a bullshit bit like science. Say what you want, I'ma buy it. I'm stacking it up like man. Yeah, and I hate science. And I don't mess with the cap. I'm switching up roster, whole different client. Know that I came with the heat, you came with the grease, you don't even iron. When it's the lick of the cup, I know I'm on timing. Know that I keep me a stack, I keep me a chip, you pick up the guy up. I hear me a bitch that be singing and sending me songs, got listen to bio. I need me a girl that know nothing about this shit. I soldier here with me.
Yo, slim, thick, chromo skin, she ain't even blue like that. Get it sexy, neck so cold like how do it chill like that? Shot 6 me, I don't even try to sleep, make a hit like that. Nigga on chill like that, she got me Instagram on real like that. Yeah, how the fuck I got this money? How the fuck I way so snatched? In a relationship with money, all I think about is rags. In a relationship with nobody, you don't know where the hoes at. I don't need your bitch, it's so funny, I don't know where her clothes at.
President slide, they call me Obamas. What's I mean Zuma? These niggas they bite, they luma. These niggas ain't putting it on. I came with the drip, I came with the tunga. I finna throw me a bad bitch party right here at the crib. It's come with the cooler box.
Yo, militant daddy, they call me on soldier. Pops, you done, you sippin', they child is over. I'm from the line of my thoughts and pick from the range, I'm something like a rover. How much you do? Just like a Christian nigga, no witness. I Jehovah, God above.
Yeah, the body just hit me up. And they with it, they sippin' the Henny up. Got champagne, I'm trying to buy you. But don't get it twisted up. Got the money, I don't need the risk. Niggas hating, just taking the piss. Know it's called hit when I'm dead, niggas don't need the gifts. Beating my millions, I carry the bitch.
Yes, no, where do I go? Hoes, open the door. Hoes, flooding my phone. Give it that D-Lo. I'm in a V-Long. Fuck what a little nigga talking about, nigga, you're not that lit. You better shut up before you're soldier and black, you blood. Okay, so you hate it, I went and blew up. For sure, got power in me like a puff. Oh no, my pockets is big and buff. I don't even gym, it's rough. Oh no,
I told her she ran out of life. I told her I'm just trying to fuck. Hell nah, I don't gotta cry shit.
Happen like a sand dunes from above.
They're volando so much, I love
one I bet you with the jabata.
Hi my lovelies. So I'm finally done the Kelly event and it was so nice. I had a time, Shem. I had a time. The staff is so welcoming and everyone is patient with each other. They are allowed to take you videos, pictures. Guys, I am so guys, I'm so excited. I don't want to lie, Shem. I'm so excited. I had a time. It was worth it. It was worth it. So right now I'm going home. I'm going back home. And I didn't have anything to eat. Simply because there's this other place I want to try. A PTA. They sell pizzas and all that. Hello. Yeah, I want to try that place. They sell ama pizza and it's like a mix, ama pizza, ama wings and all that. That's why I didn't have anything to eat. So right now I'm gonna go home, and then when I get home ngizohamba ngiye lapha ngiyothenga ukudla. Yeah, it was such a nice time. My first time experience was amazing. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, without any further ado, my babies, let's get home fast. And I look nice today. Oh, I look nice. My ponytail, I love it, Kasana. I look nice. Okay, get the feel. Yeah guys, let's go. Guys, but I will come at PTA on Sunday, so I'm going to take a hot train once. It's the only fastest way PTA because I cannot go to a Josie first. It's only this, and it's more expensive that way.
I no get time, I did that back down. That cover my face, calling me that back down. Biggie man, we do get back down.
Hi my lovelies. So today I'm so excited. I'm happy because I just finished writing my exams. It was my last paper today, and I'm so drained, but I'm happy. I don't wanna lie, I'm glad. I'm exam ningangiboni so bendiko mal umuntu uyandlula. Yeah, bendiko mal. So namhlanje Thursday, and then I think Saturday I'm gonna go home. Because I miss my parents. I'm going home Saturday. So right now when I get home, I'm going to deep clean my house, and spring cleaning, so that when I leave I can leave my things in order. Mangibuya la ngiyazi angina stress so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. Ngiyashaya spring cleaning so that ngihambe ku-sharp, ngipakishe ngiyekhaya razivevula omunye nomunye kibo man sikhathele yo umuntu lo mungayo kwahabo yo sana yo. I'm so excited hle yo angimela ngitrained hle yo sana. I wanna go home. Sengifuna abazali bami namanje, yazi sengifuna abazali bami hayi ngoba isikolo shem sesimane siyenza sizodini ngoba if asiyenze abazali disappointment in hey abasesimane siyenza shem hayi lento inzima but anhleke ngikhathele ngitrained yo. Angibelieve nokuthi ngicedile indlela nje engikhathele ngayo, but it's okay. I'm going home. Sayophumula ukupheka, sayophumula uklina, ngisayophumula ini yo. Now I don't wanna lie guys, now my mom doesn't angisebenzisi kakhulu yabo, iyangivumela ngiphumule ngenzeni. So nje ngiyazi la ngiyakhona ngiyorelaxa nje, ngiyoba late uyongiphekela, uyenza everything for me. So nje I can't wait. Oh my god, I can't wait. Ngivilapha nokuhamba do ngikhathele ngakhona, do ngitraining ngakhona, ngivilapha nokuhamba. But yeah, let's just go. Ngihambeni. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take you guys with good processes spring cleaning because I'm ngiqede. I don't know, I'm not sure, I'll see. But if it didn't happen, I'll get back to you guys. I don't know when, man. I don't know. But yeah, bye for now.
All depend. Ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it gon' be? All you men they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take me to another way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive. Just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to learn. Tell me, what's it go? All depend.